Yo, what's going on, everybody? LB the Well, man. I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed day, morning, evening, afternoon, whenever you watching this video. But today, we just getting in some practice on some vertical stick welding with 7018. I just wanted to give y'all this little briefing. It's a lot of people who may not know what's going on, so I'm just about to break it down a little bit and talk to y'all a little bit, give y'all a little game, you know what I'm saying, to the best of my knowledge. But yeah, but today we using 7018 rods. It's a stick rod, 7018. I'm not about to go in too in depth with that in that aspect. If y'all want me to go more in depth of with 7018, and break down what everything mean and what everything stand for, feel free to comment it down below and I will feel more than happy to make a video specifically on it. But I'm about to move on. But today we're going to be working on a T-joint, a fillet weld. That's what they call it, a T-joint. A fillet weld is really, a T-joint, corner joint, or a lap joint. I don't think they really consider a corner joint too much of a fillet anymore. But a T-joint and a lap joint for sure. But a T-joint or a lap joint, what all that's saying is that the pieces is overlapping each other at a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to put some pictures on the screen as well so y'all can visually see what I mean as well. But I just wanted to let y'all know that and tell y'all that. But today I'm just getting in some practice on a 3G or a 3F fillet weld, I meant to say. So it's I'm gonna break y'all down on this too. They got 4 positions in welding: 1, 2, 3, and 4. First position, flat. Second, number 2, horizontal. 3, vertical. 4, overhead. And it's either going to be a F or a G. F is fillet, like I said, 90 degrees. G is a groove. But that's all I'm gonna sauce y'all up with for this video. Like I said, if y'all want me to go in depth or anything else, like I say, feel free to say it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to. But I hope y'all enjoy this video, watching me practice and improve on my skills. I'm just trying to be the best well-rounded welder I could be. But I hope y'all enjoy the progress. And yeah, catch y'all on the next one.
2, 4.
Yeah. Woo. Hey, I think I got another one, Gino. Ain't it, man? Hey.
Worked too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got by several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the range, use a cowboy. I've been catching plays, I've been getting dough. Slept too many days, time to get some more. I've been slinging flames, I'm a wild boy. Heard it right, day and night, alloy cowboy. Well, I'm a bad motherfucker, blame it on my mama. That Florida boy out the jungle, pocket full of Thompson. Told my fitter he should quit it, tired of seeing him struggle. I think my fitter is a helper, he don't know nothing. That ink and nail look delicious, different when I'm whipping. That metal dancing, I don't boogie, look at how I cook it. I get it hot and keep on pushing, I am not a rookie. That 70S be welding garbage, sick of this carpet. And I'ma weld it up for sure, it look better than yours. You better not mess with my machine, don't step on my purge. You better make sure it's level, knife edge my bevels. I'm talking 347, that 311. I even purge P11, they say I ain't gonna. I told my foreman I'm a welder, I do what I wanna. That 9 chrome, yes I want it, and aluminum foil. I treat it like a baked potato when I get on it. Worked too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got by several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the range, use a cowboy. I've been catching plays, I've been getting dough. Slept too many days, time to get some more. I've been slinging flames, I'm a wild boy. Heard it right, day and night, alloy cowboy. QC's acting salty, had to get 'em off me. I'm at the ride room often, I be sipping coffee. Said they had some bad shots, try to put it on me. Please explain how that happened, all I did was tag it. They used to call me Black Magic, I am far from average. When they found out I was rapping, had them all ecstatic. Then I dropped that I be welding, how could I be selfish. And I did it for my brethren, how could you be jealous? Slinging flames, pushing metal, dueling with the devil. Only question on my mind, how can I get better? I'm never scared, now who want it? Show me my opponent. My machine gon' turn it up on Arizona. Slinging 9 is a hobby, I know all about it. Day and night, welding pipe is all exotic. If it ain't round, throw it down, get the hell from around me. I'll bag up and drag up to another outage. Work too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got my several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the reins, you's a cowboy.